guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Colourpop makeup haul. So every year on my channel I do a Colourpop order and then I show you my Colourpop haul on my channel. So I don't know if you know, but Colourpop is based in LA, and to do an order to the UK you can, but you have to spend over $50 for free shipping, and then you have to pay customs tax as well, which is about £20 to £30 depending on how much you're buying from Colourpop, and it is quite expensive. So I only do it once a year, but I love Colourpop. It's one of my favourite makeup brands, so it's so worth it. And they keep bringing out amazing products that I keep needing to try. So yeah, every year I do a Colourpop makeup order. And today is my haul, so yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first up I picked up this No Filter Prime and Set kit. And it has a makeup sponge in it, which has a flat bottom and a flat side there. It has a no filter primer and it has a no filter setting mist. So it's all in one, an all-in-one set, and it worked out cheaper doing the set rather than buying them individually. Now on the Colourpop website there are loads of kits, bundles and sets of where you can buy products in a set, and it would work out cheaper than buying them individually. And I wanted to try the no filter primer and I wanted to try the no filter setting mist, because from Colourpop I've tried the all-star setting mist, which I like, and I tried the pink primer. I can't remember the name of the pink primer, and it was okay, but I didn't love it. So I want to see if this one is better. I think the other one was like a matte blur primer or something, so I want to see if this one is better, and you get a sponge with it as well. Now I don't have the prices to hand with me for all these products, but that's because I'm not going to bother, because on Colourpop there are sales all the time, plus you can use promo discount codes, which I did, so the prices are going to be all over the place anyway, so just look when you're looking to buy and see what the price is. But there are plenty of promo codes online which you can find from different YouTubers, and yeah, there's always sales, and they're all really affordable products by Colourpop anyway, so it just depends when you're on the website. Okay, next up I bought the Pretty Fresh foundation. It's the Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, and I got the shade Fair 15W. I am going to be doing a foundation review on this over the upcoming weeks, so check that out. And while I'm here I might as well mention the matching concealers. So I also have two shades of the Pretty Fresh concealers which I bought. I have the shades Fair 10N and Fair 15. So when I do my review of the foundation I will also test out the concealers at the same time, just to let you know if it's any good. This is supposed to have good reviews on YouTube. People seem to love this foundation, so we will see. We will give it a try. I love the no filter foundation and the no filter concealers by Colourpop, so we'll see if this is as good or if not better. I think the foundation is around about $11, $12, and I think the concealers are around $8. Then I picked up two shades of the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturisers. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting these for so long. People seem to love these. So I have two shades. I have the lightest shade that you can get, which is Fair 1N, and then I have the third lightest shade you can get, which is Fair 3W. So I'm also going to be testing out these moisturisers over the next upcoming weeks. My intention was to use these tinted moisturisers in the summertime, but I thought that this one might be a little bit too dark at the moment, so I bought this one as well, just in case I need to mix them together. So keep an eye out over the next few weeks, maybe even months, it depends when I test them out, for both this foundation review and the Pretty Fresh one. I think these were around about $12 as well. Then I picked up some no filter concealer sticks. Now I already have the shade Fair 07N in my collection, but I'm coming to the end of it, so I needed a backup. So I got the shade Fair 07N, which is the no filter foundation stick, but I also picked up a shade Fair 27N, which is slightly darker. This lighter one is the perfect shade for me during the winter, but it's no good in the summertime, so I picked up a darker shade for me to use in the summertime to see if that's any good. I love the No Filter foundation stick. It is so full coverage, so creamy, so lovely to wear on your skin. I just love it. It's one of my favourite foundations. So I had to get a backup and I had to try a darker shade for the summer as well. Then I picked up some No Filter concealers. I already have quite a few No Filter concealers in my collection, but I was running low. So I picked up a backup of my Fair 08 concealer, which is probably the one I use the most. I tend to mix these No Filter concealers because I can't seem to find the right shade on its own. So I tend to mix, and this is the one that I mix the most with, so I needed a backup. But I also picked up the shade Light 10, which is the next shade up from this one. I think I don't know if I have Light 10. I think I have Light Neutral 10 or Fair Neutral 10, which were the old shades, the very first shades. So I don't actually know what shade this is, but maybe this will be my perfect shade. If not, I will have to mix them together, which I usually do anyway. But I just love the No Filter concealers. Then I have a blush. So this is the Super Shock Cheek Matte Blush in the shade Count Me In. So it's just like a, I don't know what shade that is really, peachy, almost reddish, kind of like nectar even shade. So I picked up that, and that was around about $8 as well. I love their blushes. They're like a cream to powder formula. I have a few shades, but I just love them so much. And then my final thing is a lip gloss. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's the Lux Gloss, and mine is in the shade Check In. And it looks like more of a purpley dark colour, but it's just like a clear gloss really. A clear pale pinky gloss, which is really comfortable to wear on my lips. It's not sticky. It's so creamy, so comfortable. So I haven't tried out these Lux glosses before until now, so I'm actually really liking it. So yeah, I love the glosses from Colourpop though. They are amazing. So yeah, that wasn't a big haul. Normally I do really expensive Colourpop hauls, but this was all I really wanted at the moment from Colourpop. So it's not a huge haul, it's just a normal size haul really. Even though it came to like $100 or maybe even a little bit more. But that's a lot of products for that price. And don't forget, you had to pay customs tax as well, so that took up a big chunk of it. But because the products are so affordable, it kind of makes up for it, so it's worth it. So yeah, I hope you like this Colourpop haul. I love watching Colourpop hauls. I love watching any Colourpop videos really. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos, and keep an eye out over the next few weeks or months for the foundation reviews that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!